Hey guys, it's your boy Nick and welcome back to a brand new video. Yeah, I know I was supposed to do another Goodwill video, but I just had to do a food review. McDonald's spicy chicken nuggets. Brand new. I didn't really do an intro, so let's just get right into it. Yeah! So yeah, compared to the regular chicken nugget that they had for over 100 years, if you look close, you can clearly see a red outer coating like most nuggets have with the spicy logo. Now, I'm a little skeptical. So without further ado, let's start it. McDonald's! I like what you're doing here! Yeah, so when you bite into it, it takes a while for the kick to hit you in the face like a shoryuken! And to my surprise, they actually brought a new sauce to go with the nuggets. Now, I thought that it was gonna be some sort of ranch sauce, but surprisingly, it was mighty hot sauce. So let's pop it open. First look. It looks like a mixture of ketchup and sriracha sauce. I could be wrong. So, let's set that right there and see how it tastes. Here we go. Turn up. Let's go. Let's do it. Get that sweet tea though. Man, yeah, watch this spice. I'm sweating. It tastes exactly like sriracha sauce and ketchup.
This is a sweet heat sauce, the Popeyes. Tastes exactly like that, but less sweet.
But you know what? Try it with the mighty hot sauce and try it with the ranch. If you can eat ass, you can eat ranch. Let's get a little crazy. A little some of that, a little some of that. Oh yeah, it's like when you goes on a period and you have a little fun. What do you got? Oh yeah, that's just the motherfucking truth, man. Oh god. Alright guys, I'm just gonna have to polish this off. I'll give you back to my review. Stay tuned. I'm back, y'all, and I finished the nuggets. So overall, I am very surprised. We have been begging for years and years for them to try some spicy nuggets. And the fact that they did it finally, along with the Travis Scott meal, that's for y'all. Guess it won't be named these anymore. Well guys, I guess that was my first food review. Sorry for the wait for the new video. It's been a really, really long month. Hopefully next week, I got another Goodwill video coming, so stay tuned to that, along with my regular anime shit posting that I've been doing. I've been really enjoying that. I don't know why.
Anime titties.
So until then, hit the subscribe button, share it to all your friends and family. Be sure to watch all my old videos and the new ones coming. I'll see y'all in the new one. Love y'all. Peace.
Thank you.